In example 1, we are going to go and solve for x. We need to use our properties, though, in order to help us out. If you notice, we have two logs on the right-hand side, and those two logs are being added together. So we're going to use our properties of logs that says if we are adding two logs that have the same base, we can multiply what's inside. So we're going to rewrite this as the log base 6 of x equal to the log base 6 of x minus 8 times 5. Now if we take a look at our logs, they both have the same base. So we're thinking about the concept that if we have the log base b of a equal to the log base b of c, then a has to equal c. So basically if you have the logs of the same base, then whatever you're taking those logs of have to be equal. So here we're taking the logs both of base 6, which means this x and this 5 times x minus 8 have to be equal. So we can go ahead now and set those equal to each other. We can take x and set it equal to this. And as we set it equal to that, I am going to distribute that 5 along with it. So this is equal to 5x minus 40. And then we just have to solve for x. The first thing we would do is get our x's on the same side. So we can subtract 5x from both sides. And that gives us negative 4x equal to negative 40. And then we divide both sides by negative 4. And we end up with x equal to 10. And then you always want to check to make sure your answer doesn't provide you with any negatives within your logs. You can never take the log of a negative number, so we want to make sure the answer we get does not cause a negative inside our log. So if we plug in a positive 10 here, we're fine. 10 minus 8 is a positive number, so we know that our answer is correct, and our answer is 10. Now I would like you to go down to the try this. Go ahead and pause it now and unpause it when you're ready to check your answers. If you did the try this correctly, you should have gotten that x is equal to negative 4. If x is negative 4 and you plug it back in for x, you should see that you're taking the log of a negative number, which can't happen. So here you get an answer of no solution. If you have questions about this, please let me know.